What it is, people. Today we're going apple picking and we're eating a lot of apples, and my dad climbed up a tree for all the apples, and people are coming our way and like, what the heck?
Voila. Now you probably hear me. There we go. So that's Eddie. That's me in a tree. What it is, people. Apple picking. Eddie's taste testing. And I'm in the tree getting the top shelf apples. How's it going? What's the rating of this one? 10 on 10. 10 on 10. This one, the other one was a 7 on 10. So I'm not sure what kind of, this is the yellow trees and the other one was a red tree. The red trees are 7 on 10. Now the yellow trees are 10 on 10. So we have a 20-pound bag. It's about 30%, and Eddie really likes it. He says it's really, really good, too good. So we climbed the tree. As you can see, I'm elevated to get the top shelf. Let's see if I can maybe show you a couple. So this is where we are. We are in a tree, risking our lives, videotaping on a branch. Now they're focusing. There's Edward. Ready to get the top ones over here. They're nice and good. And we're gonna fill up a bag with some top shelf apples over here that nobody gets because they're too hard to get to. We're one step ahead of the game. Wanna be just like you. All right, so here we go. This is the challenge of all challenge. Eddie wants to take the ladder challenge. He wants to go up this ladder over here and get the good ones, get the goods. So he's gonna do one for the team. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna put the mic on him, and then he's gonna talk us step by step through the whole process of going up this ladder. Does that sound good?
Okay.
Okay. He's not gonna touch you. Go. All right. One step. 2 steps. Are you scared?
No. There's just a lot of branches in my eye. Got one. No, that's not good. Is this good enough? It's dirty. Oh, I see a good one. Small one.
Okay, so I think that's it. We're good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, so now we're gonna be going down. Step by step. Oops, ouch. this is what it is now. With Eddie's taste testing, the jackpot. I think we found the jackpot. Did we find a jackpot? Yes, we did. That means yes. So wait, let me zoom up. Okay. So now, the first ones, the yellow ones, were 7 on 10. Then we went to the red ones there, the second part, and it was 10 on 10. Now, what are these?
9.
9. 9? So the 10 on 10s are better than this. So this is not jackpot. Oh man, so we've already found the jackpot, I guess. But anyway, okay. These are good though, but this is really good because we have a whole bunch of them. And it's all nice and red. I know. Yeah, there's no way you can see. But there's all red. Let me go. All the apples are all here, all nice and red. We have reached the pinnacle of apple picking in history. Voila. So Eddie doesn't think it's the jackpot. I think it's the jackpot. But we're gonna have a look. Our thing's kind of full, so we're gonna pick up a couple more for here, and then we're gonna do drone shots. I came out here, and I just starting to feel some drops, which I hope it doesn't, because I want to fly my drone. So we're gonna find a space, and we're gonna send it. What it is, Eddie Greg 1 and Eddie Greg 2, apple picking 2023. What?
I said hello, guys.
Yeah, whatever.
What it is, people.
Is people.
So now we're gonna finish off with finish the apple picking, and we got a lot of apples, and we got 3 beignet au pommes. They only cost $9, and
they don't say only 3, because they're $3 each, and it's just a slice of apple. So don't say only $3. It's a lot.
And they're $9, and there's a lot of sugar on them. There's a lot
but they're still hot. They're still hot. Can we? You think we can get the camera in there? So let's see if we can lift it up. Let go. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so it's inside. So it's basically like a batter. It's a slice of
apple.
Man, I have no words. Slice of apple and batter. Wait, hold on. Tractors.
Yeah, we saw a tractor that literally had massive wheels.
Yeah, they had huge wheels. Usually they're like that, the small ones. Let's see if I can see. But the other one had like the same size back wheels on the front. So that was cool. 1, 2, 3. All right, so this way. So where were we? Okay, yeah. So this is now we have the beignet au pommes, and we're gonna have them, and this is what it is. So we had a 20 kilogram, 20-pound bag of apples. You know, as people are like, what the heck are they doing, these guys? But they don't know we're Epic Adventures. And so, how did you like the apple picking?
Good, very good.
Yeah, it was fun. It's every time I take it out, then that's when you say something. He said it's amazing. He's amazing. So that's what it is. It's gonna be a nice little quick activity, and we're gonna wait till these things cool down. We're gonna have them, and that's it. And then we're gonna go home and do some homework. So from Eddie Greg 2 and Eddie Greg 1.
Peace.
To the next
Click
one.
subscribe, take the little bell, and follow.
And to the next one.
Follow.
Follow me.
See our 100th video if you did not see it.
Oh yeah, good one. We just celebrated our 100th video last one, so check it out. Definitely, that's awesome. Good advice.
And we also got an award for the video.
Yeah, okay, I'll even pop it up now. I'll show you a little thing that we got 100. They said congratulations on 100 videos. Cool. So that's it. That's what it is. Drone shots. Bye.